sabi, no see, colo, full in body. Go use agba wear slippers, wear suit on top bossa.
Tespian, hello.
Ramos,
how far na Tespian?
I do. Where na they go now?
I just want to get, so why you dey waka for son with this kind of fine girl now?
Now my baby now, we just say more your stroll small.
Enter, I drop you now, Tespian. This kind of fine girl from that son, you no good now.
Ramos, my guy.
No see,
I
be my guy. Full in body. Go use agba wear slippers.
See, I said this, so I dey even dey vex because the son wey don't even beat me join this week wey I put for body dey vex me. I dey vex like this.
Wetin dey cause all this anger now? Wetin happen? So now because you just see my friend just now, him and babe dey inside car. Now they cause all this kind attitude. Wetin dey happen?
See, Mr. Man, you see this life where you dey live, so you go change am. You go change this your poor man life where you dey live. See your mates. See that boy now. You see the promise he get friend 2 million naira. As I did so, I know they enjoy you. The only thing you they do for this life now to wake up, they use your big bullet, they pursue me for inside this one room up and down.
You know the source of him money. You know the source of that my guy money. You know the source of him money. Why you go to use and they judge me? Eh? You know what that ritual is? Me, I don't say put one for batting. Ramos don't get that kind of money. He don't go put one for batting. So when you focus on us, focus on how we take grow. You they put one for another person money.
Poor man with poor mentality. Poor man with pride. You must get pride. Hey, now your young boy, now your younger brother, you know if you ask her for update, you go ask her more. Anything they do, you go ask her. When you start to do and now make everything soft for us. You don't go put her for ritualist. You don't. Everybody now ritualist for poor man face. Everybody for it. See, as I this, I don't tire for this your yeye life because the yeye they smell. I don't tire for this fake life. I don't package so they don't show say na fake life to try they live. I go dey come out, I go borrow hair for my sister. I go borrow cloth. No better shoe, nothing. I never chop like this since morning. I never chop anything. I never even drink water drop cup.
Make I come go meet Ramos. Ramos will be my boy to show me way. Huh? Hey. That one, it don't make sense now. That one, I go dey downgrade myself.
Hey.
No respect, go see me finish. Hey. Ramos na my boy. I no fit go meet him for updates.
Poor and pride. You see as they call this boy small boy, now they catch me. You boy still get pride. Poor and pride. You go ask her for update oh. Anything wey the boy they do, you go do am. Because this life got to soft for us. I don't tire for this sufferness.
No wahala.
Which kind thing be this one?
Man go meet Ramos for update abi, and if they say make I sacrifice you because I know say na ritual in they do. If they say make I sacrifice you to make that money, I go sacrifice you.
Go sacrifice me more with job life first. Sacrifice me. If you don't sacrifice me, wetin you get? Wetin we get before? No, you never sacrifice yourself. You never chop for this house.
Oh my God! No be small thing no. Ramos. Why you dey now?
Why your face dey that? You just dey trouble. This can happen now.
Come on, na my babe oh.
Your babe.
That girl no dey allow me rest oh. And wetin come even make am worse? You know, yesterday na one go drop us. That kind of thing. So since then she just dey misbehave. Say man go do anything to make money. Man go meet my guy, ask am which way, anything. People say na ritual, no problem. As long as say I make money, like
she tell you say even if na ritual she no care.
She say even if na ritual she no care. As long as say I just make money.
Wow, but you really love this girl.
I be love her now. If I no love her, she no dey my.
You no go love her and care with that kind
I understand. But she know they act according to the yash now. They act different from the yash. Because she say I must make money.
I understand. Even me, I don't dey for that kind of position before, so I know how I be. But that one he be my guy. You get where I'll carry you enter later or tomorrow. Everywhere go good. You go even buy motorway pass this my own.
Just like that.
Just like that. You know what, this thing is not hard. Now me just get people wey get updates. You understand? I will help you.
Connect me. Just carry me go. I need this money.
I be more they go now.
I ready. If you say more they go now, I even ready anything.
No go tomorrow. You just dey hustle. Then time go find something drink.
No wahala.
Boss, and that my guy wey I been talk about, so I been tell na be this. Na be this, boss.
I do to na boss. Well done, boss.
Family.
Active.
Family.
Active.
Family.
Active.
Bro,
Sir?
they say now you want to join us.
Yes sir. Now me. You know say I don't hear about the updates. You understand? When this my guy be they give me, you understand? Your life now don't change, your life now don't better. You understand? So now why I come, I need updates.
Now the way be that.
Thank you, sir.
You don't sabi the skills be that.
I want join you now.
But hope you dey active, sha.
If not that one boss, I did very, very active. Ask my guy now. Very hard-working guy, you understand? I don't even know how to come to him make and pass me. You understand? So now why I trust this una group. You understand?
He saying they very, very active. No wahala now. I believe you.
Thank you, boss. Thank you, boss.
Yes. There's only one way to find out if in the active or not. My guy, no wahala now. Active.
Say this guy dey active. But what's happen now? Why shoot me for leg now? What's happen?
You know they active. When you come here,
Wait, now so they don't shoot you for leg? What's that? Boss, why you shoot what?
What this guy dey do for here now? Say they active.
Bros, you no go vex. Na mistake.
Mistake for gun?
You be dey tell me say you dey active. Now I say make I check if you really dey active. Once you no come dey active so, you only go house, make you go treat yourself. We go contact you if we don see say you dey active. How far?
Now so?
No take time, na
So they
leg.
shoot you too?
No, they move now.
How far? No take time, na leg.
Go there.
Shebi you talk say you dey active.
boss, I don't know. I asked him before I carry him come here. You saying they active, oh,
Don't
boss.
say I be the tell you say this guy is a nonsense person.
So you no fit check am before you bring am abi?
Boss, no vex. No, I asked him before I carry him come. I asked him, boss, I beg, no vex, I
As you dey
beg.
do me, dey do me, I push you enter this pit.
Boss, no vex, I beg, boss, no vex. No, no vex.
This kind nonsense mistake again. You hear from me.
My oga.
Ẹ̀kọ́ àdúgbò.
Mumu way to sabi, no see color.
Go,
body.
if you wan enter, make you enter. Na many people dey say they are. Go,
We are suit on top
you go pay for that domot wey you dey. Inside your own house, you go still dey knock. Eji na gangan, go stay for there. No open door. Dey wait make I dey open door for you. For your own house, dey knock.
Now what? You know,
Wetin do this one for leg?
you know this how they knock since?
Make I leave wetin I dey do. Come dey answer you when you no fit open door. Who can open the door for you? No be open am by yourself. Wetin do you for leg?
Wait, you know here say I dey knock for door since?
I be your security, I be gate man, we go dey open door for you. You know here say I say make you enter. I dey sweep na, make I leave wetin I dey do come answer you, you be small pikin. Wetin do you for leg?
No be you wey dey always push me say make I go meet Ramos, make he show me way, this and this, that and that. I go meet am now say make he show me way. Na him carry me go meet one of Ikapon abi wetin dem dey call am. For there now, as we dey there now, they talk about how to make my life better. Na him dey come go shoot me for leg. Ikapon shoot me for leg, he talk say na mistake. Which one be mistake? Okay, wetin go happen now? How I wan take make money now? He tell me say make I go out go treat myself. Say now until I treat myself until my leg heal before I fit come join the court. Like this now I don come here now for treatment before I fit join the court.
Wait, because you just dey talk, you just dey rap, you dey talk language wey I no even understand. Now as you dey so you no bring money come this house.
Wait o, I dey talk about my leg bullet, na money you just come dey. You no dey hear say this is my life here, I don almost die, they shoot me, you dey talk about money.
Now like this, you no bring money come this house as you go since morning wey you no drop pin for me make I use chop. Wey I dey expect see as I dey do housework say if you come on to cook better food make we chop. As you come like this, you no bring money, money no gum you for body.
You no hear my story, I tell you so they say make the leg heal first before they give me before I fit join their court. So your own na to dey press and dey massage the leg, they help me treat the leg. Na why you be my woman? Where's all the money? What all this one won't start?
You see risk where everybody they take for this life, where they turn billionaire, you reach your turn, you bring half leg come house. You everybody they carry risk, they take risk to be billionaire for this life. You reach your turn, now half leg you carry come house, you this man. You can say who are they not cripple? Now me go they not cripple. Now me go they carry go bet you go the back for you, Abi.
Now the only thing you get to talk with that, Abi.
Could I beg? Which kind of
Not be your responsibility. If I get injury or you want back me or anything, as my woman, is it not your responsibility? Not what you supposed to do. Why you they complain? Not be love with them.
Responsibility make I dey. You see, you know wetin go happen at this point. I won't leave this relationship. It don't tire me. I don't dey find way to leave you since, but this is the right time to leave you because I don't feel they take care of people. Maybe take risk, go to billionaire, carry money come this out. Now half leg you carry come out. Cause make I dey take care of who? In short, I won't carry.
You never talk say that.
Now I thought I go fire this leg. You see this leg sef, you no go heal. This leg I said they see am so you go rotty, you go suffer with that. Woman, you know they suffer again. Suffer go join sufferness for you. Yes, I go like this. I don't just break up with you. Everything where I buy within this house, I dey carry am because from morning till night of your life na bad luck. I no go let you use your bad luck finish me for this life. Everything where I buy, the broom I use sweep na me buy am. The fan na me buy am. Everything where I buy for you, I just carry the fan. No carry the fan.
So now what you got to pay me back with this? After I sacrifice my life, sacrifice everything to go make sure say I find money when you tell me I go use take.
Where the money?
Now what you want to pay me back?
Okay, the sacrifice where you do now, where the money?
So at least you don't see the sacrifice. At least you don't see the sacrifice. You know wait for the money first.
All this okrika cloth where you get for here, na me buy am. I dey pack everything. Poor man, take risk make you turn to billionaire na lie. E reach your turn na leg wey half leg you carry come house. No be me and you. Everything I still dey come back. I dey comot for this house. I don tire. Abeg, the Nokia phone where I buy for you. Give me. I no dey do again. I say give me the Nokia phone where I buy for you. I carry everything.
Family.
Active.
Family.
Active.
Now sabi me now.
Nah, but now.
Baba, we know you now.
I know say I know they take time. I know they waste time. Because time now waiting, now money.
Normally.
You see that guy for downtown? He saying wise. Small business we will do. He carry money jackpot. Maka why?
But me go put am for him body to na.
That one no go dey needed.
Boss, why now?
Because by now, him and my ancestors, I suppose one the reason one or two. I don't put am for him body. No time to check time.
No be lie.
No.
Better style.
No.
Confirm.
Based on that,
Sabi.
everywhere good. Based on that, get one place where I want me to match go. Get one small boy we just whine me.
He owe you.
When I dey active, Abi.
Active.
Boss, we dey active now.
Me my mouth.
No be lie. My oga. My oga.
Officer, now the bad man be this. Now the man won't shoot me for leg be this. Now cut this, arrest him.
Baba, I told you. Hey! Follow, Baba. I told you. Incredible.
Officer, what did happen for you?
Come on, damn it, don't you? Did I say your brain they go biting? So you don't know who you say make I come arrest? Carry me call lions then, Abi. I God will punish you for me. Oga no vex you, Jere.
I'm for my guy. So you never dey active.
I'll be there.
Hey, officer.
Damn you.
You see how they run, they go like that. Make sure say you arrest and come meet me.
No vex you, Jere, Oga me. That one I seen they go so. In freedom na view once. I know how to deal with people like this.
Oh yeah, now. Everywhere good. You know they active, they come meet me.
No see color, full in body.